Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So this video is going to be, I tried to follow Malvika Sitlani's makeup tutorial. I chose her tutorial because she's one of my favorite YouTubers and I love watching her makeup tutorials. So basically I have to recreate her makeup look. So without a further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to be using my Clinique moisturizer to moisturize my skin.
The next product I'm going to use is the NEFERTITI Ageless Illuminating Primer.
Since this is the only primer I have, I'm going to use this. This is actually a sample. This is MAC Prep and Prime. I got it for free on a MAC purchase. I'm just going to put it all over my face.
So let's move on to foundation. I'm taking the NEFERTITI.
So for foundation, I'm going to mix these two foundations because this is actually lighter for me. I'm going to put it on my face.
So this is the NYKAA beauty sponge. I have been loving it. This is my...
I'm going to take my beauty blender and just pat it on my skin. So I'm going to use my MAC concealer and use it for my under eyes and on my lid.
Okay, I'm going to brighten up a little bit using the Maybelline Fit Me in Sand Sable. To set my under eye, I'm using the Brighten Doris powder.
I'm going to use a baby powder to set my under eyes.
I'm taking the NYKAA Skin Genius and this big poofy brush and I'm just going to set my entire face.
So I'm going to take this shade over here and use this brush. She's using a similar brush which is kind of flat but it's also fluffy to blend with. So I'm going to use this brush and this shade and just going to put it in my crease.
I'm going to take this reddish orange color and put that, in my crease. And
for the next color, I'm going to use these two shades.
Yes. Oh my god.
I'm going to use a blending brush and blend everything in.
I want to take this mustard shade.
I'm going to mix these two shades called Eden and Blazing.
Oh yeah, that one's not showing up much. Yeah, I can't see any pigmentation on that one. Okay, I'm just going to deepen up the outer corner by taking this dark brown color and just gonna smoke it out. You guys know the drill.
For the next color, I'm going to use this brown shade.
I'm going to use this shade. This is like a rose gold. Wow, that is pigmented.
Then I'm going to mix these two shades. As it's not showing much, I'm just going to spray it with some Fix Plus.
Wow, that is so stunning. Both ways. So I'm just going to cut my crease here. Nothing major, just do a slight cut crease.
I'm also going to add this golden shade right here.
Okay, I'm going to take a little bit of black and put that in my crease really slightly.
Instead of black shade, I'm going to use this dark brown shade. I'm not really good with winged liners, but this is
Okay, so I'm gonna take the same shades that I put on my crease and I'm just gonna smoke out my lower lash line. For my waterline, I'm using the NYKAA I Am Black Kajal in black. I'm quickly going to put on these lashes. This is the Glow Mere lashes in Kiss and Tell. They're really pretty and dramatic and I'm obsessed with them. So I'm just going to spritz that all over. I'm not feeling this lip, guys. It's gonna be the longest video ever.
So since she changed her lip color, I'm going to change it too. So that's it for this video. I had so much fun recreating Malvika's makeup look. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!